This one's length is perfect, right at 12 inches.
Surface looks good. Testing firmness now. Firmness is ideal, no soft spots.
I see a small dark spot here. It's minor, but mark it. Truck's here. Let's get these watermelons unloaded. Nice and steady with that crate. Good. Next one. In the modern watermelon factory, conveyor belts transport fresh watermelons. They enter air-drying tunnels, where powerful fans remove excess moisture. This automated process prepares the watermelons efficiently for the next stage. In the modern watermelon factory, fresh watermelon pieces are fed into the seed separation equipment. Here, the equipment uses a rotating drum and water sprays to refill his clean, seedless pulp ready for further processing. Welcome to the modern watermelon factory, where innovation meets freshness. In our temperature-controlled rooms, fresh watermelons are stabilized for optimal quality. Advanced technology ensures perfect conditions for these fruits. In the modern watermelon factory, pasteurization tanks heat fresh juice to controlled temperatures for safety and quality. This precise heating process preserves the juice's freshness and nutritional value. The fresh watermelon mixture enters the system. It flows into stainless steel vats for initial blending. Conveyors transport the mixture to automated tanks, here bit candies. In the modern watermelon factory, blast freezers rapidly solidify fresh watermelon desserts. This high-tech process preserves the vibrant, fresh taste, efficiency, and innovation in every frozen delight. Storing the watermelon desserts in the racks now. Slot confirmed, pallet secured. The modern watermelon factory uses advanced inventory systems to track fresh dessert batches. Trays move through production. Storage racks also are logged in real dashboard. This ensures efficient, quality-controlled operations. At the modern watermelon factory, fresh watermelons are transformed into desserts. Automated slicers create perfect cubes and slices. Workers package the desserts for nationwide distribution. Fresh, modern, and ready to ship. Scanning watermelon desserts, all boxes accounted for.
Confirm, this batch is clear.
Next pallet, keep the line moving.
Roger that, scanned and stacked.
Beginning final inspection on batch MW 2023-45. Visual check, uniform color, no bruising. Excellent. Desserts are cleared for shipment, releasing the batch. Control room here. Shipments are rolling out smoothly. Packages are moving through the warehouse now. Confirmed. Next batch loaded. On schedule to hubs. All systems green. Monitoring continues.
Starting with the pH test.
I'll monitor the refractometer.
PUH is holding steady at 5.2.
Brix reading is 8.5. Excellent. Initiating sample prep for watermelon batch. Transferring to collection tube now. Sample secured, proceeding to incubation.
Starting sugar analysis on this fresh watermelon juice, using the refractometer now. The reading is 8.2 Brix. That's a good level for ripe watermelon. Initiating pH check on batch 0045. pH reads 5.62, within target range. Test complete. Welcome to the modern watermelon factory. We're testing the viscosity of our fresh puree. The puree is poured in, and the spindle rotates to measure resistance. The reading is 400 for our processing needs.
In the modern watermelon factory, packaging integrity is crucial for our fresh desserts. Automated arms apply precise pressure to test container seals. Technicians conduct thorough manual inspections to ensure quality.
Let's test the texture of this fresh watermelon frozen dessert. Inserting the probe now. Firmness is optimal, with a smooth melt. A perfect balance of texture and flavor.
Initiating seal strength test on the fresh watermelon dessert lids. Test complete. Seal strength is optimal. All lids passed. Proceeding to the next phase of production. Initiating cold chain verification for the watermelon desserts. Temperature is 2.5 degrees freshness and no fin-safe range. Logging in data now. At the modern watermelon factory, these shelf life testing chambers store fresh watermelon desserts. Advanced controls ensure optimal freshness and quality. The texture is spot on, very fresh.
The flavor is balanced, not too sweet.
The mint garnish adds a nice aroma.
Overall, these are very promising. Let's review this batch. It looks promising.
Agreed. The cubes are uniform and fresh. And the seal is secure, no issues.
Good, let's check the next one.
Proceeding. Here, HACCP checks ensure fresh watermelon safety.
First, we verify receiving temps are below 5 degrees Celsius.
Metal detection is critical for foreign object prevention. Finally, packaging is sealed, labeled for tracer. The slicing and packaging lines are running at peak efficiency.
Confirmed. The computer shows a 99.98% compliance rate. Excellent. This concludes the final audit.
Agreed. Production is approved. Starting barcode scan on watermelon dessert cartons. Scan complete, carton verified and approved. Let's review this batch for sign-off.
Agreed. The color and freshness look excellent.
Weights are spot on, no contamination.
Perfect. I'll log it.
Confirmed, this batch is approved. Final inspection on this pallet of watermelon desserts. The packaging is intact and the fruit looks vibrant. This batch is ready for shipment. Proceed to shipping.
Authorizing release for the fresh watermelon dessert shipment. Release confirmed. Shipment is cleared for dispatch.